Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, sharing my 5 tips to minimal makeup organization. So let's get started. So friends, I am one that I am really not good at putting on makeup, but I do wear it, and I have standard set that I use. I have just standard makeup that I use every day. And my first tip is, if you are like me and you're that plain Jane when it comes to makeup and you just have certain things that you do every day of the week, then I recommend using a case instead of a bag. And here's why I say this. And I shared my bag with you several months ago on Instagram, and it's because it's so much more convenient. I don't like having to dig and fumble through a bag in the mornings. I just need to get to what I have and make it easy. Which brings me to tip number 2, keeping it easy. Keeping duplicates on hand. I am big on having duplicates, and I can do this because I wear the same stuff all the time. Again, being that plain Jane, simple with the makeup. So I make sure I always have my standard, and then I always have a backup. And so this really just keeps me always stocked, but I don't have excessive makeup, and it really just makes it simple. So I have foundations that I use 2 different types of foundations, so I usually keep one of each on. The same for my compacts. My eyeshadow palette is just very basic, but I have a duplicate. Now, as far as my 3rd tip, it's for your brushes, because a lot of times the makeup brushes, when in the morning you're getting ready, they're dirty. So in my case, I put a simple bag so that I can drop the brush down in there so that it does not dirty my makeup case. That's one thing that frustrates me, is when I have a makeup case and it has makeup all in the case. And to keep it clean, I just have one bag that allows me to dump the dirty brushes in there and keeps it simple. So friends, my next tip is making sure that your makeup is not expired. And with makeup companies not being really required to tell you an expiry date, I, in my book, Beautifully Organized, have put a chart in there so that it will help you kind of be able to monitor when your makeup expires. And in my book, I put a lot of different charts in there to help you throughout your home. But if you look on the back of your makeup, you'll see a little container, and it'll have the number of months. So 24 months will tell you when it's going to expire or how long it will last. And then my next tip, friends, is one of my favorites. It's the auto-replenishment programs that makeup companies have. Having your makeup so that it automatically ships to you whenever you need it, every month, every other month. If you're someone who is a minimalist with makeup like I am, then you wear the same things, and it's just kind of, you need what you need every other month, then set it up so that you don't even have to think about it, and you automatically your makeup and keep your stash replenished. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed my little quick tips on how I have my everyday case that contains exactly what I need to get ready quickly in the morning. It's really simple. I also want to remind you about my other channel, At Work with Nikki, where I share all kinds of work tips, and I will put it in the link below, so I would love for you to subscribe, along with Bentley and Albert's channel, At Home with Bentley and Albert. We have a lot of fun over there, so we would love to have you over there, friends. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.